Are you someone who's looking for an opportunity to work abroad, specifically in Canada? Do you have a passion for keeping things neat and organized? If yes, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be discussing housekeeping jobs in Canada with free visa sponsorship in 2023. So, if you're interested in pursuing a career in housekeeping in Canada, keep watching this video till the end. What is housekeeping? Housekeeping is the process of maintaining cleanliness and orderliness in a home, office, or any other establishment. Housekeeping includes various tasks such as cleaning, organizing, laundry, cooking, and sometimes even childcare. It is an essential part of daily living and is crucial in maintaining a healthy and safe environment. Duties and responsibilities of a housekeeper in Canada. The duties and responsibilities of a housekeeper in Canada may vary, depending on the employer and the job position. However, some common responsibilities include 1. Cleaning and maintaining the interior of the house or establishment. 2. Dusting and polishing furniture and fixtures. 3. Vacuuming and sweeping floors. 4. Washing and changing bed linens. 5. Doing laundry and ironing clothes. 6. Preparing and cooking meals. 7. Taking care of children and pets. 8. Running errands and doing grocery shopping. What are the different types of housekeeping jobs? There are different types of housekeeping jobs in Canada, such as residential housekeeper. These housekeepers work in private homes and are responsible for maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness of the residence. Hotel housekeeper. Hotel housekeepers work in hotels and are responsible for maintaining guest rooms, public areas, and other hotel facilities. Office cleaner. Office cleaners are responsible for cleaning and maintaining the cleanliness of offices, conference rooms, and other business facilities. Hospital cleaner. Hospital cleaners are responsible for cleaning and disinfecting hospital rooms, operating rooms, and other medical facilities. Housekeeping jobs pays and benefits. The pay and benefits for housekeeping jobs in Canada vary depending on the employer, job position, and location. However, the average housekeeping salary in Canada is $35,100 per year, or $18 per hour. Entry-level positions start at $29,471 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $45,007 per year. Some employers also offer additional benefits such as health insurance, dental insurance, and paid vacation days. Requirements for foreign to work as a housekeeper. Foreigners who wish to work as a housekeeper in Canada must meet the following requirements. 1. Must have a valid work permit. 2. Must have a minimum of 2 years of relevant work experience. 3. Must have a good command of the English language. 4. Must pass a background check. Types of Canada visa for a sponsorship housekeeping job. There are different types of Canada visas available for foreign workers who wishes to work as a housekeeper in Canada. Some of them are temporary work permit. This type of visa allows foreign workers to work in Canada temporarily. The work permit is issued for a specific job and a specific employer. Express entry. This type of visa is for skilled workers who wish to immigrate to Canada permanently. To qualify for this visa, the applicant must meet the eligibility criteria and score enough points in the comprehensive ranking system. Where to find housekeeping jobs in Canada with visa sponsorship? There are different ways to find housekeeping jobs in Canada with visa sponsorship. Some of them are online job boards. There are many online job boards that post job openings for housekeeping jobs in Canada. Some popular job boards are Indeed, Monster, and Workopolis. Recruitment agencies. Recruitment agencies specialize in connecting foreign workers with Canadian employers. These agencies can help foreign workers find a job and apply for a work permit and visa sponsorship. Employer websites. Many Canadian employers have their own websites where they post job openings. Foreign workers can check these websites to find housekeeping jobs with visa sponsorship. How to apply for housekeeping jobs in Canada with a sponsored visa. To apply for a housekeeping job in Canada with a sponsored visa, foreign workers must follow these steps. Step 1. Find a job opening that matches their skills and experience. Step 2. Apply for the job by submitting a resume and cover letter. Step 3. If the employer is interested in hiring the applicant, they will offer them a job and apply for a work permit on their behalf. Step 4. The foreign worker must then apply for a visa and undergo a medical examination. Step 5. Once the visa is approved, the foreign worker can travel to Canada and start working for the employer. Best website to find housekeeping jobs in Canada with a sponsored visa. There are many websites where foreign workers can find housekeeping jobs in Canada with a sponsored visa. Some of the best websites are CanadianVisa.org. This website provides information on visa and immigration options for foreign workers who wish to work in Canada. CanadaJobs.com. This website posts job openings for various job positions in Canada, including housekeeping jobs with visa sponsorship. Indeed.ca. This website is one of the most popular job boards in Canada and posts job openings for various job positions, including housekeeping jobs with visa sponsorship. In conclusion, housekeeping jobs in Canada with free visa sponsorship in 2023 are a great opportunity for foreign workers who wish to work abroad. With a good command of the English language, relevant work experience, and a valid work permit, foreign workers can find a housekeeping job in Canada with visa sponsorship. By following the steps mentioned in this video and using the websites mentioned, foreign workers can easily apply for housekeeping jobs in Canada and start their journey towards a better future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos on easy work abroad opportunities. Thank you for watching.